If you're looking for the perfect travel backpack, one that's stylish, durable, and packed with features, then you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the Sandmarc travel backpack and compression kit to see if it's really the ultimate travel companion. So let's dive into it.
First impression, this thing feels premium. It's made from weather-resistant nylon, so you already know it can handle some wear and tear. It also has a super durable and smooth YKK zippers throughout with weather-resistant coating on all of the zippers. But overall, the hardware on this backpack is just super nice and premium, like I already mentioned. The latches for the hold-down straps on the side of the backpack are metal with a magnetic holder in place. They just slide in and out. Super nice, like overall fit and finish on this backpack. And if we check out the grab handles on the top and side of the backpack, double stitched, again, super durable. You know it can handle either being thrown in an overhead compartment on a plane or being chucked in the back of your car.
Now, one of the standout features of the Sandmarc travel backpack is its expandability. So it starts out at 25 liters. With a quick unzip in the process that you're seeing now, it expands to 30.5 liters, giving you the extra space when you need it. So this is awesome for longer trips if you tend to overpack like me and you maybe need to pack a few more shirts or maybe a pair of shoes inside of this bag. But the process is super simple. So the pockets, the side pockets on both sides of the backpack expand as well to withstand and kind of accommodate this extra space that you're creating in the bag. Everything can easily unlatch. And overall, it's just a super simple, quick process that takes, maybe 30 seconds to a minute in order to expand the bag. Inside, there are a ton of compartments to keep things organized. You have a hidden passport pocket alongside another pocket for either an AirTag or another GPS tracking device to keep track of your bag when it's in use. You also have a deep front pocket and then a shallow front pocket to just store receipts or whatever else you might be picking up along the way on your travels. In the main pocket, you have a ton of mesh organizers. I do wish one of them was waterproof just for toiletries and things of that nature. And I also wish there was maybe some elastic tie-down straps in the bottom of this main compartment just to hold down clothes. But overall, a ton of storage. And then on the back, you have all of your laptop and electronic storage. You have 4 little compartments with Velcro straps, felt lining on both the smaller tablet section as well as the laptop. Fits a 16-inch laptop as well as a 13-inch tablet in the back of this bag. Tons of electronic storage.
And like I mentioned at the outset of this video, the build quality and material selection for this bag are outstanding. So we're looking at 840D ballistic nylon, super strong, rigid material. So like even though this isn't a hard shell backpack, definitely keeps up the rigidity of the bag just through the material selection itself. And it also offers really nice weather resistance. So when you're on the go and maybe it's raining outside or you get a little spill on your bag, you're not gonna have any issues in terms of that seeping into the internal contents. Now you also have some great luggage pass-through options on the back of the bag. A more stronger, durable solution if you want to stow your bag horizontally on top of your luggage, or for just convenience and just ease of use, a great option to store it vertically on top of the luggage as well. So when it comes to build quality, material selection, overall functionality of this bag, Sandmarc hasn't missed too many marks. You got the 840D ballistic nylon, YKK zippers throughout, aluminum hardware on things like the tie-down straps, a ton of compartments and internal storage, the expandability of this bag, maybe missing out on a waterproof internal compartment for some toiletries or the tie-down straps for some clothes. But again, you have 2 options for luggage pass-through, making travel just super convenient and easy on the go. So a lot of things going for this backpack, but of course we actually want to test out how it feels, the overall comfort and reliability of this bag. So let's throw it on.
So when it comes to the comfort and usability of the Sandmarc travel backpack actually on your back, it's super comfortable. Feels great on the back, still feels light even when you pack this thing full of both electronics as well as clothes, and also some really nice hardware and, the mechanisms to tighten the shoulder straps and make sure everything is nice and fit on your shoulders. You also have a nice phone holder on the left shoulder strap, but overall looks really sleek and also very, very comfortable to wear.
So when it comes to getting this thing packed for travel, We're looking at around 2 to 3 days of clothes that you can fit in here. Maybe 4 if you were looking at the 30.5 liter, but I'm gonna keep it in the more slim, sleek, easier to travel version with the 25 liter, so you can fit 3 pairs of shorts, 3 shirts, underwear, and socks, an extra pair of shoes, or you can swap in some additional clothes, a few button downs, sweater, fit all that in here, and have plenty of storage for around 3 days of travel. So keeping it in its 25 liter capacity, still fit plenty of clothes for a 2 or 3 day trip. But if you did have a longer trip, or maybe just wanted to fit a few extra articles of clothing, you can definitely expand it out to 30.5 liters. But if you want to keep it sleek and slim, easy to travel with, but still fit a few extra pieces of clothing in it, that's where the compression kit comes in. So when it comes to the compression kit, super simple. I'm just gonna open it up and just get all of our clothes packed in here. Now, of course, in order to test this thing out, we have to pack it with a few more items. So let's throw in a pair of pants. We'll throw in a pair of jeans. So now we have 2 extra pairs of pants in here. Get it zipped up. We'll get our pump, double tap the power button, and start compressing. And there we go, nice and compressed down. And of course, last time we put our clothes in our bag, everything barely fit. So now that we have 2 extra articles of clothing in here, let's see how we're doing. Perfect. And there we go. Everything still fits even in the 25 liter capacity. So we haven't even expanded it to that 30.5. If we wanted to expand it, can definitely now fit even more on top of the compression kit. I think even just using the compression kit kind of normally, even if you don't have that many clothes, just to ensure, again, you have that extra layer of weather resistance, somehow water gets in the bag or your toiletries end up leaking on the inside, still plenty of security for your clothes that nothing's gonna get wet. Now, what we haven't talked about up until this point in the video is the price tag of the Sandmarc travel backpack. So for the bag itself, you're looking at $249.99. Add an extra $30 on for the compression kit, which I would definitely recommend, and you're looking at $279.99. So not a small price tag to pay for a backpack, but when you compare it against, the top competitors in this market with this level of feature sets, the build quality, the material selection of this bag, it's kind of right in line with kind of the really high-end bag that's going to be used. You can use it every day for your everyday carry, or you can use it as that travel companion and use it as a carry-on bag on flights or just road trips and things of that nature. So yes, it's a heavy price to pay for a backpack, but at the same time, also delivers on quality, material selection, usability, functionality. Hard to beat this bag from that perspective. But with that being covered, it's time for our final verdict. So this bag is packed, pun intended, with features. And just to give a quick breakdown, we have that 800D ballistic nylon material selection. So weather resistant, super durable, going to withstand a ton of wear and tear. Amazing hardware selection when it comes to the YKK zippers, the aluminum accent hardware on some of the tie-down straps, a ton of storage and functionality, the expandability from 25 liters to 30.5 liters, and the compression kit to really optimize on storage and usability within the bag. Now, there are some cons, which I've covered in this video. Price tag, pretty high. No waterproof compartment within the main pouch for toiletries and things of that nature, but you do have the water-resistant compression kit itself, so your clothes are gonna stay dry, but it'd be nice to have that toiletry kind of compartment within the bag. Also, maybe nice to have some tie downs within the bag to hold your clothes in place. But overall, I think the pros definitely outweigh some of those cons when it comes to purchasing this backpack. So if you're consistently on the go, if you love traveling, if you need something that can easily come with you wherever you're going, not have to worry about, tearing it or ripping a zipper off or having a handle rip off or any of those things, this is an amazing choice for you. You know, this is Sandmarc has travelers in mind when it comes to this backpack. It'd be really cool if they added some functionality down the line or some additional add-ons for, you know, maybe camera storage or other storage within this bag so you can use it on the go as a videographer or a photographer. This would also make a great bag for those if those add-ons do come out in the future. But again, overall, I think this bag is super hard to beat. At the price point, again, it's a hefty price point to pay, but if you're consistently traveling and you want a bag to last for years, this is a great selection. Sandmarc really hit it out of the park with this travel backpack and compression kit. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, there's a link down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, get subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.